Is this thing on? Hi, I'm Monse, and today I'm going to show you how to make some delicious iced tea using only 2 ingredients, one of which being super magical with all its properties. So let's get into it. First, you'll need a glass, your favorite iced tea mix, ice, and water, of course. First, you want to grab your glass and get your water. Then, you want to pour your water into the glass. Next, what you want to do is grab your favorite iced tea mix and go ahead and pour it into the water. Notice how quickly the iced tea mix dissolves into the water. Let's see how it looks after we give it a good stir. Notice how the mix is now fully incorporated with the water. This is because water is the universal solvent, meaning that because of water's polarity, we are capable of dissolving several different compounds. Now, what's iced tea without ice? No, not that ice. That's a lot better. Now go ahead and place that ice in your iced tea. Although ice is also made of water, notice how it stays afloat. This is because water is less dense as a solid. Due to the formation of the hydrogen bonds in water, as it freezes, the water molecules are pushed further apart compared to liquid water. This is extremely important because if ice wasn't less dense as a solid, then several underwater animals could be crushed. Well, that's all the time that we have for this how-to. But remember, next time when you drink iced tea, remember all the awesome properties that water has.